What's up guys? So after my class, I decided na panoorin yung film called Gloria. So the screening starts at 1 p.m. So perfect siya kasi meron pa akong vacant time. So instead na umuwi na lang sa dorm, why not panoorin na lang natin yung film, right? So honestly, wala akong idea regarding sa film na to. Wala pa akong alam. So, I'm really excited and curious kung ano ba talaga yung flow ng story nito. And hopefully, maganda siya. So, here I am on my way sa Rodelsa Hall. So, let's go!
Non ci crederai, ma Madame de Stael ha finalmente risposto alle lettere di Bettina e ci ha invitato a palazzo. Vedremo. Ora devo proprio concludere. Ah no, aspetta! Il pianoforte come sta? Gliel'avete finalmente raccontata a Giacomino, la storia del nostro pianoforte?
Nei suoi viaggi ha incontrato i più bravi musicisti d'Europa, ma voi lo avete colpito più di tutti. Solo voi siete state in grado di far cantare.
And here I met a friend and a classmate and we took a picture as a proof. So again, the title of the film is Gloria. So ang director nito ay si Margareta Vicario. So this is actually a historical musical drama and comedy. So Gloria is about a group of young women living in a religious institution in 18th century in Italy. They are talented musicians but they are often overlooked because of the expectation placed on women during that time. Kasi nga dati, maliit yung tingin nila sa mga kababaihan. So together, they discover their own voices through music, challenge traditional rules, and show that women also deserve to be recognized for their talents and creativity. Honestly, I like the film because it gives meaningful message about women's empowerment, freedom, and following one's passion. So, ang ginamit na music was actually unique and made the story more engaging. Nung una, hindi ko pa siya masyadong bet, pero as the story developed, I became more interested in the characters and their journey. So, overall, I think Gloria is inspiring because it reminds us that talents and determination can shine even when society tries to keep people in the background. So, yun lang muna. As you can see, andito na ako sa dorm. Paakyat na ako. On the way na ako sa room. And although it's very exhausting, I really enjoyed the film and I met a friend. Bye! So, welcome again sa aking vlog guys. So, this is the second day and second film that I am going to watch. So, this is gonna be exciting. So, ang title ng aking panonoorin is Hidden People. So, ang director nito is si Meha Josevar. So, andito na ako sa Rodelsa Hall. So, let's go! So, here is the entrance. Papasok na tayo sa theater. So, tara at mag-enjoy! Unfortunately, nakamute pala siya at hindi ko siya napansin kaya instead, dito ko na lang sasabihin yung reaction ko. So, the title of the film is Hidden People. The director is Meha Josevar and this is a comedy drama. So, etong Hidden People, it tells the story of two strangers who unexpectedly end up traveling together after a strange incident. So, after nila spend more time with each other, they slowly uncover parts of their past and learn to face their personal struggles. So, along the way, nakabuo sila ng friendship that will help them realize the importance of trust, understanding, and having someone by your side during difficult times. When I watch this film, I really enjoy it because hindi siya yung mga typical na movie na maraming action, maraming dramatic twist, but instead, nakafocus siya sa real emotions and human connection. this story made me think about na may mga tao talagang may fini-face na struggles na hindi naman nakikita ng mga tao. At the same time, I also like the message that everyone deserves kindness and second chances. So, may mga moments naman na very slow as in like confusing siya. Pero overall naman, I found the film meaningful and worth watching because it leaves you with something to reflect on after it ends. So, yun lang muna.